we are on Constant Spring Road, traversing. We're going to Portmore basically.
Going to the fishing village to see if we can get some fresh
fish
because we just saw some fish and it was like $1,500 per pound. I'm not sure if it's cheaper at the fishing village, but that's where I always go, so I'm going back there to see what I can get from there. Like a weight of fish is way cheaper than buying like a pound of fish on the road, so I'm not into that. And Jamaica is so expensive, let me just say that.
Yes,
very expensive, so you gotta stretch that little money, you know. The new Forum fishing village. This is what, my second time here or third time, I think. I normally buy fish like by the weight here, but since they moved to this side, I think I left shortly after. So yeah. Look, like over here now, I have a thing. Ooh. The road is not good, so I'm trying not to get into any potholes. That's one of the things I found with the roads here. It is bad. They need to fix, and I guess nobody don't care, because even though this road is off the main thing, it's pretty bad. Not even the fish people can come together and fix the road for their own purpose. So that's just crazy. Hopefully we're able to get some fish. If we do, I'll show you. Catch you at that time.
Daddy, they about today, but we can show you another daddy. We can show you another daddy. Check the daddy here. Good morning. Right. Look like you want daddy, man. He's not here today, because I'm here that daddy know.
Yeah, we're doing fish.
Let me come from on. Wow, beautiful. I love how you pull up the thing, you know. Yeah, the thing is looking good, you know. Hi, baby. Wow. What's your name, sir? Oh my God. I didn't see him in my dream. You know what's in my dream? Say, somebody have a twin and carry them, go put them on and give me a touch. Oh my God. Oh my
How much
God.
weight person? No, see.
Yeah, man, I'm a deal with it.
How much your weight?
8 toe. 7 toe. Yeah, man. I want to tell the truth. Fish them out to done kind of fish there. That's a big project.
What was it? 8,000, 7,000? 7,800.
For the way. I mean, scraping up for $500. Yeah, I like the baby. I want to leave it with me. Come bigger project. What's your name, sir?
You're gonna guide the fish on it?
What's your name?
Daddy wouldn't have something to say about that.
Yeah. That's so special, sir. Oh my God, he's special. Special, baby. Listen, my dream, but hello, you don't believe me? fish. I'm dream about this little boy. Hug me up and me and kiss him, man. Oh my God, that is yours. I want to be that guy, what I wanted to be. That powerful guy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I did that. And I did that. No, not crying. No matter crying. No matter with it. No matter with it. I'll swim back. I'll swim back with you. Swim back with you. I like you, I like you, sir. I like you.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
How much powder? What is wrong with your lady?
No powder. Finish it later. I'll get tired.
Him up there? Him up there already?
So, you know what the angel them funny? Them are angel, you know. See them here? Them are sell different still.
It's not reachy.
Where is the stuff there?
One more for the 2 pounds.
6 pounds. 6 pounds. 6
Wait, they
pounds.
are putting right?
6
Where is
pounds
the
away.
fish?
6 pounds. No, put more.
Inside.
6 pounds, that's not even 6
4.
pounds.
No fish in there.
4.
4. How we them? No man, how we them say man? You need more fish.
They do have 4, but me wonder where you get 6 from.
Alright, cool.
6 are you idiot.
Alright, cool.
No, this one 2 more. 2 more. Put some more.
You know what? Maybe that's a take 4.
Sorry. Go to the one. Sorry. Alright, they're nice for the eye. Alright. Mark your water for what shot.
Much fish are?
4 pounds.
Them want to know what fish you think.
No man, it's 4 pounds.
That's not what he no, I can't remember.
Go on, for your things, star. I like how you see it, brother. Yes, brother. So we do the thing. You see it, brother? Yes, brother. Yeah, we get the fish properly look about like this. Yeah. Flick the scrape to make it flick. That is it. You understand? This is it. You make it work like this. Right. So we achieve $1. That is it. Yeah. This is the machine where we use for the fish. We have to have a proper dish.
We're leaving the fishing village now. Fish is 1,300 per pound over here. In Kingston it was what, 1,500 I think
4.
it was, or 4 something. I think it's 4 something, so but it's worth it in Kingston. The reason being, you have to pay toll. That's $700 for toll alone, so that could give me some more fish. So I think it's kind of worth it, except that I didn't get a lot of fish for the 4 pounds. It was less than what I get here. Maybe the size was a little bigger, I don't know, but we thought it was would be, you know, a little cheaper here, but apparently it's not. But nothing hard coming and learning. So I'm leaving. I don't think I am going to come here for fish. Maybe I will, I'm not sure. Maybe, because I normally buy by the weight. And then the fisherman was asking me, what am I going to do with so much fish if I'm not going to freeze it? Because I didn't want the frozen fish, because he wanted to sell me frozen fish. I want no frozen fish because I wanted the fish that is fresh. So I hope I get fresh fish, because I didn't really test it myself. I normally do that. But the person that I normally buy the fish from, his name is Father. Father wasn't available today. Apparently he didn't come today because he's normally there on a Sunday. So hopefully the next time I come back, I will come for example, maybe a Saturday or something, so that I can see him. Driving in Jamaica, again, one of the things that I have to remember is I need to keep left, because in Canada we drive on the right, so it was like sometimes, you know, you slip up, but so far so good, so I like that. Alright, so we're heading back into Kingston, and yeah, I think I'll show you the whole thing. 3 Mile was new to me. It's my first time since I don't even know what to call it, they reconstruct it and so forth, but kind of seems complicated. If you don't know, you don't know, but after you get back to what the section that you're used to, it's easy. But heading into Portmore, it was kind of confusing. If my brother wasn't here, then I would have missed it, because I wasn't sure where to turn. So he was the one who said keep under the bridge. You know, that's keep under the bridge thing. It did help me. Do we go here? It said keep left. Yes. So yeah, it's things like this. You don't remember exactly where you go. You have to ask questions, of course. But I think so far so good. Hopefully we're navigating our way back, which I think we are.
Yes, we are.
Kind of like, you know, because you're not sure, you're going a little slower than you should, but I rather do that and be sure and be safe, you know, just to make sure I'm heading where I'm supposed to head. Right, so we're going back on the toll booth. I think my friend car has toll tag, but I didn't use the tag. I pay for the toll because I didn't ask her if I didn't ask her if I could use it. After the man let me in the bus, I drive up, you know, see that? And I come pop. That's one of the things, the people drive so poorly. And when I was here, it didn't seem that way, no, but when you go somewhere where there is order, you come back, then you recognize how poor drivers are. Like, even the bus drivers that is supposed to take care of the government bus, I think they drive really bad too. They just cut you off at no respect. Alright, gonna pay our tag again. This girl give me a lot of coins. How much is this?
That's a $5 and dollars.
The new money, I'm getting used to it. It kind of confused me because I was going by color and not the number, which was wrong, because I thought they were all color coded. And for this car it's $3.60. I have coins, so I have to stretch. Thank you. Yeah, like living in Portmore, I don't know if that's something I would do because of the toll. Because just imagine, you know, things hard and things expensive in Jamaica, and then you don't have no money. I keep it real, you know, I keep it real and authentic on this channel because we're who we are, you know. And when you're a child of God, you must be honest at all times. So I'm saying, imagine you're here and, you know, things kind of rough, depends on where you work and how the money flew, and you have your last $1,000. You have to pay the toll go, and the toll come home. The $1,000 they could have put some gas in your car and just go and say, yo, I'm on end now, so this can save me till payday come. Something like that. But I guess people rich, so they're probably not gonna think like that. But personally, I don't think I would live in Portmore because of that reason. No, I don't think so. I think it's expensive, maybe for me. Probably somebody is gonna say it's cheapy, but no. I just spent what, 700 and some cents just to go get some fish. So you're gonna buy a weight of fish for 7,800, and then you have to pay 700 and something just to get the weight of fish.
720.
Like, and my friend just said 720 to be exact, right? Man, the cost of living too high for Celeter right now. Anyway, check it out.